I know that you're tired, Lynette. I know that you're weary. I know that you have worried about your health, homelessness, hunger. I know that you care deeply about me and that you trust me in all manner of things. That doesn't mean that you don't doubt, that you're not afraid sometimes. But I want to reassure you that you have rest. You can rest in the fact that I have kept you all the days of your life, that I will never leave you, never forsake you, that I will always be with you, ahead of you, handling anything that gives you unrest.